You will love the features of this 2022 Chevrolet Malibu. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. The Chevrolet Malibu, the sophisticated four-door midsize that blends luxury and efficiency with safety and sporty handling. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, keyless start, remote engine start, backup camera, 4-cylinder engine, multi-zone AC, alarm, Wi-Fi hotspot. Delight in the drive while advanced technology protects and entertains your most precious cargo. Get into the Malibu.